I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure Contacts Sync is ready. Open Settings and enable iCloud contacts so changes save across devices. This prevents duplicates and lost entries. Next, set your default account in Contacts so new entries go where you expect. Once done, verify Wi-Fi or cellular is active. Syncing requires a network. If you prefer another service, add it under Passwords and Accounts and toggle Contacts. This initial setup saves time and keeps everything centralized as you proceed. Now you'll add, refine, and consolidate contacts. Tap the plus button to create a new contact. Fill name, phone, email, and assign a photo so you recognize callers at a glance. To edit later, open any contact and tap Edit. Use fields for addresses, notes, and custom ringtones. To clean duplicates, use link contacts or follow suggestions in the Contacts app to merge entries. This prevents confusion when calling or messaging. Make sure the default account is consistent so merged contacts sync properly. Finish by using and sharing contacts smoothly. Tap any contact to call, FaceTime, or start a message. You can also share a contact card via Share Contact or AirDrop. To keep lists current, return to Settings and confirm contact syncing is enabled for your chosen account. If contacts disappear or fail to sync, toggle iCloud contacts off and on, sign out and back into iCloud, or force a sync by toggling the default account. These steps resolve most sync glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.